Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. This week we're going to be changing out a thermostat, so stick around. Alright, so this week we're going to be changing out this old thermostat here with a new digital programmable thermostat. The first step you're going to want to take is to go down to your breaker box and turn off the power to your HVAC unit. Alright, once you've cut the power, you're going to go ahead and pop off the front of your old thermostat here, and you'll see there's a bunch of different colored wires here. And as you can see, there are several different colored wires in here. You have a green, a white, a yellow, a blue, a red. Yours may have more. Now, as you can see on the side here, I don't know if you can see these little letters to the side, but there's basically color coded on here. See, there's a G, a W, a Y, and a B, and over on this side there's an R. So all you have to do is match up these letters with the color wire that you're going to be doing. So our first step, now that we've taken this off, would be to go ahead and disconnect all the thermostat wires. You will need a little flathead screwdriver. So we'll just loosen these up. Pull them right on out. Alright, now we have all of our thermostat wires disconnected. Alright, now that we have all of our thermostat wires disconnected, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to take out the two screws that are actually mounting this onto the wall. You can see there are two more screws right here holding this backing plate on. So we'll go ahead and take those off as well. Alright, our next step, we're going to take our new thermostat and we're going to go ahead and take the back off of it. This is the mounting plate. As you can see, we have two spots for screws. So next what we're going to do is put this up on the wall and decide where we want to set it, so we can go ahead and pre-drill these holes. Alright, now what we're going to do is go ahead and take our backing plate and put our wires up through this hole right here, and we're going to pick a spot that covers up. As you see, we have this white paint back here. We want to cover up as much of that as we can. We are going to end up having to come back and paint some of it because no matter how I put this, I can't cover it all. So we're going to set this up, make sure it's good and level. We're going to take a marker and mark our spots here. Alright, now that we have our spots marked here, we're going to take a 3/16" drill bit so we can drill through our drywall here to put our drywall anchors in. That's where we're going to screw this in so we can go ahead and connect our wires. Alright, now that we have our anchors and our drywall here, what we're going to go ahead and do is put our wires through the hole here. We're going to go ahead and attach all the wires in the correct order. You want to make sure that you use put the same wires to the same letters as the other thermostat you just took out. My blue didn't go to anything, so I'm going to get it out of the way. The green will go to the G, the yellow will go to the Y, the white will go to the W, and the R will go to the R. So we'll go ahead and attach those real quick. Alright, now that we have all of our wires connected, we're going to go ahead and take our screws and screw them into the anchor to attach our backing plate to the wall. We're going to start them by hand. And then I'm going to finish them off with a impact with a Phillips screwdriver bit. That's got that attached to the wall nice and snug here. You don't want to over tighten these. Alright, now that we have all of our wires connected and it mounted to the wall here, what we're going to do is take our front piece here. We're going to go ahead and put our batteries in. Mine takes 2 AAAs. Snap them into place. And then we'll go ahead and put our backing, or our front piece onto our backing. And we'll go ahead and set it up. We've already got the time set up here. You can set the day of the week, which is Saturday. You hit run. You're ready to go. So we'll go ahead and set our temperature. Up to 72. Turn the heat on, turn the fan to auto, and then we're going to go down to our breaker and go ahead and turn our HVAC unit back to the on position. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. See you next week.